पता है एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताई थी हमारे एल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन ने कि एवरीबॉडी इज अ जीनियस. यू, जितेंद्र, अमरपति, वेदांत, everyone here whoever is watching this session, everyone give me a quick balle balle. Everyone give me a quick balle balle right now on the chat. Come on people. Anju, yes, you are a genius, right? Everyone is a genius. Subhaj is a genius. Google user is a genius. Everyone is a genius here. Absolutely, everyone is a genius here. That's what Albert Einstein said. Every one of you is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, the fish will live its entire life thinking it is stupid. You guys at least agree to Albert Einstein. मुझ पे believe मत करो. Albert Einstein पे believe करते हो? बताओ बच्चों मुझे. You guys believe in that particular quote? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do, right? Yeah, you agree to me on that? So people think about it and give me the answer on the chat right away. Are you the fish or the genius? You know what? Give the answer on Menti. Give the answer on Menti, people. Come on. The next question is that: are you the fish or are you the genius? Come on. Let's see how many guys get it right. Are you the fish or the genius? Two options: fish, genius. Fish, genius. Are you the fish or are you the genius? If you are the fish, think about it. Why are the fish? If you're, be honest. Be honest. Come on. Be honest. If you believe that you're a fish, if you believe that you're a genius, think about it and answer. Let me see how many guys honestly tell me that you are the fish. Because if you talk about me, I was a fish for a really long time. I was a fish for a really, really long time. I'll tell you what is the difference between a fish and a genius. Come on, go ahead guys. 45 of you guys voted. Let's go. People who have joined the quiz right now, go on to menti.com and use the code 744637. Look at that. 29 of you guys believe that you are a genius and 16 of you guys believe that you are the fish. Fantastic. Fantastic people. I am so happy that you guys were honest about it. Thank you so much. Let me go back to the slide and we'll check out the leaderboards in a moment. Now think about it. I'm not a genius. I'm in 12th, but still I can't solve 9th class physics question. But that's okay. But you're doing good in your 12th standard, right? Now let me tell you what is the difference between a genius and a fish. Think about it. Do your parents compare you with a different student or different kid? Yes or no, people? Do your parents compare yourself with different students or different relatives? शर्मा जी का बेटा, गुप्ता जी की बेटी. Do they do? Yes? Yeah? No? Yes? Sometimes? Absolutely fine. All the answers are fine. I'm not going to judge any one of your parents. Don't worry. Yeah? But yes, but after results? Fantastic. Not really? Okay. Does your friends compare you or yourself with other people? Then I ask you one more question. Then I'll ask you after this, I'll ask you one more question. Yeah, friends do sometimes? Yes? Okay. Final question. Do you yourself compare yourself with one of your friends? Be honest. क्या आप अपने आप का comparison करते किसी और के साथ? That I'm pretty sure कि most of you guys will tell me a yes. Now my question is why? Are you the genius or are you the fish? अगर आप fish हो और अपने आप को एक frog के साथ compare कर रहे हो तो करो. You cannot jump. Frogs can jump. But frogs cannot swim as you can do. If you're comparing yourself with a bird, karo. Birds can fly. Fishes cannot. But fishes can swim. Birds, thenga. You get the answer. Now the point coming up. Why do you compare them? Don't compare. You are good at playing football. Play football. Someone is good at studies. Let them study. Someone is good at playing guitar. Let them play guitar. Someone is good in, rapping. Let them rap. So the point is, my dear students, please do not compare yourself. Please do not. And that is one of the reasons, that's one of the most important reasons of having stress in your life. कि यार मैं उससे better नहीं कर पा रहा. कि यार मैं देखो रोहित से better नहीं कर पा रहा. यार अंजलि तो इतना पढ़ती है यार, मैं तो पढ़ ही नहीं पाता. तो मत पढ़ो ना. जो आता है वो करो. है कि नहीं बच्चों? आई अंडरस्टैंड कि एजुकेशन सोसाइटी ऐसी हो गई है कि फिलहाल मार्क्स पे ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंस है, नॉलेज पे नहीं. आई अंडरस्टैंड. लेकिन बच्चों ज़िंदगी में मार्क्स काम नहीं आएगी. मैं बता देता हूँ अभी क्लियरली. मैं क्लियरली बताता हूँ ज़िंदगी में मार्क्स काम नहीं आएगी. जो काम आएगा वो आएगा. एजुकेशन जितना आपने पढ़ा है वही काम आएगा. लर्निंग इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन मार्क्स. दैट आई टेल यू एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन एनी चैनल इफ यू वांटेड. बट लर्निंग इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन मार्क्स. तो पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो, मार्क्स पे नहीं. जितना आता है वो करो या जो आता है वो करो. सिंपल. आई होप यू गाइस गॉट इट पॉइंट. एंड इफ इन केस यू गॉट दैट, इफ गाइस यू एग्री विद मी, give me a quick balle balle right now. Give me a quick balle balle. Oh, Medha, I completely agree. I said Medha. It's the point of education society, है ना? अंजलि आपकी दोस्त है PV06. शाबाश मेरे शेल, शाबाश. ये हुई ना बात. Okay.
Feel of discontent, I'm finally facing